Gasoline and diesel are made of hydrocarbon molecules, which are chains of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Some of these chains are short, but others are very long and heavy. These long chain molecules are the problem for your engine's performance. They resist breaking apart and do not burn completely inside the combustion chamber. When they survive the combustion cycle, they exit as unburned hydrocarbons and soot. This is wasted fuel and energy, leaving your tailpipe as harmful pollution. The aviation industry once faced this same challenge with fuel efficiency and safety. In 1984, NASA conducted a controlled crash test using a Boeing 720 airliner. The fuel was blended with a substance called FM9, a long-chain polymer. These long chains were designed to hold fuel together and prevent misting. The theory was that no mist meant no fireball during a crash landing. However, the Boeing's engines could not burn this anti-misting fuel directly. The long chain molecules were so large that they clogged the fuel filters. They also refused to atomize properly within the engine's combustion chamber. Each engine required a special device called a degrader to function. The degrader's job was to break the long chain molecules into shorter, burnable chains. Without this chopping process, the engine simply could not burn the fuel. This is the exact same problem occurring in your car or truck today. Standard gasoline contains a mix of short and long chain hydrocarbons. The short chains burn quickly, but the long chains resist combustion. They are too heavy to break apart in the brief milliseconds of a power stroke. This results in incomplete combustion, wasted energy, and carbon buildup. You experience lower fuel economy and higher emissions from your vehicle. The magnetic chopping effect offers a solution at the fuel line. It works by using a set of powerful permanent magnets. These magnets are mounted directly onto the fuel supply line. As fuel passes through the magnetic field, a physical change occurs. The magnetic force interacts with the molecular structure of the hydrocarbons. It effectively weakens the bonds holding the long chains together. This process mimics the degrader used in the aviation industry. The long chains are chopped into smaller, more volatile segments. These smaller molecules are much easier for the engine to ignite. They atomize more efficiently when sprayed into the combustion chamber. The result is a more complete and powerful burn every time. More fuel is converted into motion rather than wasted as exhaust. Your engine runs cleaner with significantly less carbon buildup on valves. Pistons stay cleaner, extending the overall life of your engine components. You notice improved throttle response and better overall fuel economy. It is a simple, passive technology that requires no external power. By optimizing the fuel before it reaches the engine, efficiency increases. This is not magic, it is the science of molecular physics. The magnetic field aligns the molecules for a better combustion reaction. Think of it as preparing the fuel for its most efficient state. Most vehicles suffer from this long chain inefficiency without the owner knowing. Upgrading your fuel system is a practical step for any driver. You save money at the pump while reducing your environmental footprint. It is a small change that leads to a significant performance difference. Modern engineering meets simple physics to solve a century-old problem. Whether you drive a truck, a car, or use a generator, the magnetic chopping effect ensures you get the most from every drop. Stop wasting fuel on molecules that are too heavy to burn. Break the chains and unlock the hidden potential of your engine. Experience smoother idling and a quieter, more responsive driving experience. The science is clear and the results are measurable in real time. Invest in your engine's health by optimizing your fuel delivery today. Clean combustion is the key to a more sustainable driving future. Join the movement towards smarter, more efficient fuel consumption habits. Your car will thank you with years of reliable, clean performance. The magnetic chopping effect is the future of internal combustion efficiency. Drive smarter, burn cleaner, and go further with every single tank.